Hello, in this video I will show you how to use eSIM on iPhone. So you have to start with opening your settings application and now click on mobile, and here you can turn off this line by clicking here, and now your eSIM is turned on. And if you want to turn it back on, you can click on it and here click on turn on this line. Now you have to wait for a minute. Now click OK and click back, and as you can see your eSIM is back on, and you can just change some settings of your eSIM just like you would do on your regular SIM. And the same if you want to call somebody, for example, or send a text, it's just the same as on your regular SIM. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.